Good morning. Happy 4th of July. Today we celebrate more than a date on the calendar. We celebrate the birth of an idea that changed the course of history. 250 years ago, America declared that freedom was worth fighting for and that self-determination mattered, that the future should not be dictated by fear, limitation, or the belief that progress belongs only to a select few. The 4th of July reminds us that this country was built by people who had the courage to imagine something better and then had the determination to build it. At TECfusions, that same spirit speaks directly to who we are. We are builders, we are innovators, we are problem solvers. We are part of a generation called to construct the infrastructure that will power the next chapter of America's story. Just as roads, railways, factories and power grids shaped earlier eras, today's digital infrastructure will shape the future of commerce, national security, artificial intelligence, education, healthcare and opportunity. Data centers are no longer simply buildings filled with technology. They are the backbone of modern life. They are where ideas become capabilities, where innovation becomes action, and where the future gains the power it needs to move forward. But as we build, we must also remember our responsibility. America's next 250 years cannot be built on progress alone. They must be built on responsible progress. Technology that is powerful, efficient, secure, and environmentally conscious. That is why TECfusions remains committed to advancing data center infrastructure in a way that respects both innovation and sustainability. This anniversary is also a reminder that America has always been a nation of second chances. People come here to begin again. Communities rebuild. Industries transform. Ideas once thought impossible become part of everyday life. At TECfusions, we believe in second chances as well, for people, for communities, and for opportunities that deserve to be seen again with fresh eyes. That belief is part of our culture, and it is part of how we lead. From all of us at TECfusions, Happy Independence Day.